I see it. Thank you.
You guys need anything else?
That's it. May I have some ketchup? Some ketchup.
Oh. 係喎，啱啱開啫喎。係啊，因為我哋要等時間，我哋時間
位細個。
呢個。
好有錢啊！真係行兩日都未行。
所以要翻去影啊 ！Facebook 入去睇啊！而家冇人咧，入去找我。好快嘅，係啊，我兩個嚟。
Every adult is getting a ticket. Have them on the way out. Next. Stepping guys coming out.
Get two pastrami sandwiches of rice, one with cheese. Yeah. And if that's to get a brisket on rye as well.
Gotcha. You say two pastrami, one with cheese, one without, right?
Yeah. Can we get started pickles? Here.
Oh.
Stepping guys. Hey.
Nice. You guys try it. I know what it tastes like.
Gracias.
好腍。再試另外一種肉，係啊，呢個係 brisket 嚟嘅。相機食先，等陣先，相機食先 ，thank you。哇！你哋辛苦啦，好開心嘅。影我哋三個，影我哋三姊妹係咪就呢個？Okay, thank you.
唔係啊，嗰啲窿嗰啲啊。
唔好理佢啦，係啊，
係要咁啊。
頭先我哋有得試食啊。
啊。30年嚟第一次食。人哋都唔知喺邊度，你淨影間鋪頭名得㗎啦。
Can I get the size, the plain one?
The 6-inch plate?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
They don't need it. Take the strawberries to my GukSu. I got strawberries. Can we also get a small strawberry one, please?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Gotcha. Okay, please enjoy.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Of course, have a good one. What do you want?
I don't think I should wait. Do you want like an actual cafe or you want like a waffle? I don't know what else we could go with.
I need some staff.
我會喺上面 gym 完之後咧，就落嚟買杯咖啡。
呢間
係呢間 corner 嗰間。哦，sorry。
咁正常。Can I please get a 你想要細杯定大杯？大杯嚟嘅。
16-ounce regular iced latte then.
Thank you. Lush. Lush 味，超難。OK。包到咁靚。係咯，又唔使我揀。我幫你。要 Pepsi Cola sign。That one's cola. It looks like cola.
Two of them.
No, that one's not. Oh. 呢個咁樣就涼少少咯。係海。Yeah. Or flushing here?
Get what?
Yeah.
Matcha?
No, just bakery.
Yeah.
Sit, cool. Sit.
Speak.
This one or this one? Choose.
Which one? Pick one.
Pick. This one? This one? Which one? This hand. This one? This one? Yes?
You sure?
Này攞兩塊啊！呢個我哋3個人食。好大。哇！我有一塊你攞？有一塊係佢啦。哦，跟住咧。
Did you open your first business or here? It tells you. It tells you you can open it.
我哋嚟嗰時 Covid 喺出邊食嘅，個人戴上口罩咧，係啊，佢哋。好大隻。梗係要啦。得啦，試啦。得，我知我飲過未試過 OK。得，出嚟啦。哦，開心啲。你可以試下嗰時，你試下幾時嗰？ 個花杯要4、5蚊。
なお、花火やオイルタンク式ライターなどの危険物